I'm at the subway today. Look. And I thought it would be a good idea to film somewhere public, because this is out of my comfort zone. So yeah, and I'm doing these videos to overcome my shyness. So I thought this would be a good idea, but I'm a little freaked out. Because people are watching me. Now I'm going upstairs. I'm getting out of the subway. This is a super useless video, you guys, but whatever. It's an action shot. This station is really pretty though, so well, I don't know if pretty, but I like it, so I wanted to show it to you. Anyway, I don't know if I'm going to give you another update, but just in case, I'm not going to say goodbye, I'm going to say see you later. So, I'm at the subway again, and I'm looking for a hiding spot where people won't look at me and give me the stink eye and think I'm a weirdo for filming myself at the subway. But this is not working so far. So anyway, might as well show you a little bit more of the station. This station is called Universidad de Chile, and it's one of the main ones. There's always a lot of people here. It's always super crowded. I like it because look at the murals on the walls, and it's a little dark for my taste, but it's super pretty, I think. And we are at rush hour right now, so I'm not in any rush, pun intended, to get on the train because it's so crowded. I'm probably going to suffocate if I get in the train right now. Anyway, since I didn't really have a subject for today, I decided to bring you here with me. I ran some errands. I couldn't film there. It was pretty boring anyway, so you didn't miss anything. But I really wanted to show you the place where I spend most of my time, the subway station. So yeah, maybe another day I'm going to show you another one, because there are a lot. It's not like the entire city is connected by the subway. We are not that modern, but there are several stations that are interesting and have like pretty stuff. some painting and stuff, and paintings and stuff. So that would be pretty nice. And I'm getting the crap away from people because people are giving me the stink eye. Ooh. I think I'm going to have to wait for like 2 other trains to pass before I take mine home. And I'm back in my hiding spot, which is near the escalator, which is where we started the video today. And yeah, I'm going to have to wait for like 2 more trains to pass before I can take mine home, because rush hour, it's pretty tough at the subway. This is the life of someone who lives in Santiago. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. This was kind of a silly VEDA whatever video, but I enjoy showing you parts of my city. Maybe I will try to do something else somewhere else in the next videos, but right now I can't promise you anything. But yeah, change of setting for a day, really nice, right? Anyway, wait. Seriously, people, don't interrupt when I'm filming. Anyway, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Hugs for everyone. I love you, and bye.